Let's take a look at the Mastercam 2019 Post Installer. Typically, we will email your post. There will be an attachment to your email. Save that attachment to your computer. In this case, I saved it to the desktop. The email will also contain a link to download the Post Installer. You'll need to put in some information. Then you can choose to download and save the Post Installer. Once it's downloaded, you can choose to run it. You may have to hit OK on a few things and next to complete the installation. You may also need to hit more info and run anyway on a Windows message. Once the installation is complete, I can go into Mastercam, and on the Home tab, I can choose Run Add-in. Scroll down to the Post Installer and choose to open it. This will open up a pop-up dialog box. I can either choose the Select Zip File button and browse to the file, or I can drag and drop it. If I have any additional files, I can select the folder to which they will be unzipped. Mastercam will automatically find the correct location to install your post files. Hit the Install Post Files button, and the post will be installed. If you have any additional files, in this case I have an MCAM file, I can double-click it and it'll unzip it to the selected path. My posts are now installed. I can go to the Machine tab, choose my product, and choose Manage List. Your post should now be ready to use.